What a day looks like in the volunteer program. We start at 9 o'clock and we gather outside of the farm property and we do quick intros, just get to know each other.
I'm Molly.
We give a rundown of what the day is going to look like, which is typically 2.5 hours or so from weeding to planting, every other weekend coming out to be outdoors, connect with each other, and just support local farmers.
I'm always looking for the healthiest option, the best diet, and obviously that starts from where our food comes from. I had heard that they started doing CSA boxes. So I was like, well, this is the perfect opportunity to want to pursue volunteering on a farm with a business that really aligns with my ethics. Now I'm sucked in. every other Sunday I'm here.
Coming back every week, seeing the field that I weeded and see how the plants have grown significantly, and to be able to eat of the fruit from a tree that I planted just is the coolest feeling in the world.
We give a farm tour for those who are new to the land. We take them on a little tour around the land to just let them know what's happening and to have a deeper understanding of the regenerative practices that are being implemented here.
And then we turn around from that and we have a big lunch cooked by my brother, who started Cafe Gratitude, and he's the founder of Kiss the Ground, Ryland Englehart. So he cooks this big family-style lunch that's from food on the farm, and we sit down and we eat together and we commune about what's important to us. And then those of us that are tired go home, and those of us that want to keep going have another session of doing something, planting, weeding, harvesting, pruning. It really is fundamentally an opportunity to be in nature, breathe fresh air. Right now, all the orange blossoms are going off. You can't believe how amazing it smells here right now. And just to get out of the city.
I think people really crave being outdoors. We get less of that these days because many jobs require you to be in front of a computer, but we're meant to be in nature, outdoors. And I think people really feel that and really have like a deep sense of groundedness when they're out here. I see it every time we have new volunteers come out, and they just like, they have a sense of relief and connection to what's happening here. And we need more of that. And the farmers are grateful. Molly and Elias are happy to have the extra hands on the land. And there's a benefit to the volunteers because they get that experience.